Hi, this is Leah Gavin from Money, Wisdom, and Faith, and I'm coming at you today with Legacy Love Letters, myth number 2. Because this is a conversation that needs to be had. Legacy love letters are what I call them. Some people call them living trusts. Some people call them estate planning documents. I don't care what you call them. I call them legacy love letters because it's a gift that you can give to your family that will be such a blessing. It will help them be saved from heartache, frustration, and confusion, trying to figure out a very tough situation in a very difficult time. So myth number 2 is legacy documents and estate planning is something that only old people do. I'm too young to have to worry about estate planning documents. I'm in my 20s, or I'm in my 30s, or I'm in my 40s. That's something for my grandparents. Total myth. The reason being is that what legacy documents do is they give the person that you trust, love, and understands your wishes, or at least can follow your instructions. It gives that person that you choose the legal authority to be able to speak on your behalf. So what happens is, if you are an adult, and let's say you're a single adult unmarried, and your parents are here and alive and a part of your family, a part of your life, and you get into a situation where you're not physically able to speak for yourself, your parents are not automatically given the legal authority to speak on your behalf because you're an adult. So your parents would have to petition for the right to be able to speak on your behalf, to make medical decisions for you, to become your legal guardian again. Because as an adult, your parents are not your legal guardians anymore, right? If you're married, then you have the protection that your spouse is the person that has the next line of legal authority to speak on your behalf. But let's say the two of you are together and incapacitated at the same time. Now who steps in to speak on your behalf? So again, legacy planning is not for old people. Legacy planning is for adults who want to make sure that the person they love, trust, and know is the person that speaks on their behalf. And you can designate people in line of succession so that you can say, you know what? If something happens to me, my spouse is here, they're my first line. If my spouse is unavailable, then the next person I want to have speak on my behalf medically or financially is my brother. If my brother's unavailable because he's out of town, out of state, out of the country, unavailable for whatever reason, then the next person in line I want to have is to be my sister. And you can name these people and give them lines of succession so that you are never uncovered and having to be at the whim and mercy of the state, the government, a social worker, a lawyer, or someone, a court-appointed person speaking on your behalf when they know nothing about you. They know nothing about your family. They know nothing about your personal beliefs. They know nothing about your wishes. Legacy love letters are for adults. It's grown folks' conversation, and it's making that choice in advance so that your family and your loved ones don't have to make that choice and have to fight that battle uphill at an already stressful time. Again, this is Leah Gavin from Money, Wisdom, and Faith, and I hope that you have been blessed by hearing me break down myth number 2 about legacy love letters.